Presenting the 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost, auto-dimming rearview mirror, driver airbag, fog lamps, CD player, and tow hooks. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.